And she's off. Maiden flight. Flying nice. Oh, it's windy. Oh man, it's really windy. Whoa, she's getting pushed around. Alright, I'm not going to keep it up long. Just wanted to prove that she flies. Let's see if we can do a loop. Whoa, yeah, loops. Whoa, and rolls. Nice rolls. And she rolls. Keeping it nice and high. Sorry about that. You'll be able to see it so good in the video. But, huh. You always get nervous on the first flight. All she needs is half throttle. Yeah. Oh, nice roll. Very, very smooth. And all right, let's see the proof of flight. It's a little damp out here, raining a little bit. Let's see if I can bring it down. Okay, this is no motor gliding. Let's bring it in dead stick. Perfect. Successful Maiden.